Hey. Guess what, guys? I've got a surprise for you lot. Let's get my knife. I think I need more space. Check this out. 60 miles per hour out the box, probably with the optional pinion. Ready to run. Alright, let's get this bad boy out. There we go, guys. Mojave 6S desert truck. Whoops. Look at that. Blood! Can't believe how big this is. Put that there. Put that there. I didn't expect it to be this big, guys. Wow. Let's get some scissors to chop these off. Get me some good scissors, man. This is, what is this? There we go. That's it. Oh, that's what he's doing as well. Let's put this on the bench without all this nonsense. Move this over here. Hey guys, check that out. Woo! I love that noise. Anyways, let's open up the hood. Look at that. I'm gonna have to kit this one up just like the other one. I like this. I feel like it will break, but you can get this piece again. It's very good. Alright, where's the controller? Where's the transmitter? Here it is. Let's have a look. Oh my god, I don't even want to look at it. It's the same one as the Kraton. Oh man. Let's put him back. I'm gonna get a new transmitter. One that can take all of them in one. So I don't have to have this 1 second delay rubbish. Anyways. Alright guys, we got the Mojave out today and the grass is wet, so it's gonna get dirty. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, hesitated there. I thought I was going to crash into the tree. Better to crash into the floor than the tree, I guess. Hey! Don't know what happened there. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I saved it. Ouch. That looks disgusting. That was smooth. So guys, I'm running 6S today. I've got some audience. Whoa. Love how it just skids out. Hey.